Recognizing the early signs of disease can help protect your corn crop before the problem becomes severe. This condition is often associated with Phytoplasma asteris, a pathogen that can cause serious abnormalities in corn. The symptoms can vary depending on the corn variety and how early the plant becomes infected. One of the first signs is usually yellowing along the edges of the leaves, followed by reddish discoloration on older leaves. As the disease progresses, the leaf margins may become torn, ragged, or frayed. Infected plants often become noticeably stunted. Their internodes remain short, and they may produce an unusual number of side shoots, giving the plant a dense or bushy appearance. Male flowers may fail to develop normally or remain severely stunted. Ear development can also be affected. Some plants may produce no ears, while others produce multiple poorly developed ears with very few or no kernels. The disease is associated with a phytoplasma that can be naturally spread by insect vectors, including the leafhopper times Macrostyles quadrillinatus. It can also be transmitted through infected plant material, such as seedlings or grafts, but it is not normally transmitted through seed. Some insect vectors can also spread the pathogen to alternative host plants, including species of the parasitic daughter genus Cuscuta. Environmental conditions can influence how severe the symptoms become. High temperatures may intensify disease symptoms, while cooler conditions generally have less effect. Infection early in the plant's development is especially damaging and can lead to greater stunting and yield loss. For growers looking for biological approaches, controlling insect vectors is an important part of disease management. Beneficial fungi such as Metarhizium inosoplia, Bovaria bassiana, Paecilomyces fumosoricius, and Verticillium lecani may help suppress aphid populations when used appropriately. Natural predators can also play an important role. Ladybugs and lacewings feed heavily on aphids, helping reduce their numbers. Certain beneficial parasitic insects, including species of Nagris, may also contribute to biological pest control. When insect populations become difficult to manage, insecticides may be considered where they are legally registered and appropriate for the crop. Products containing carbaryl can be effective against certain insect pests, and controlling vectors early in crop development may reduce disease spread. However, economic and environmental considerations should always be taken into account, and products should be used strictly according to local regulations and label directions. For long-term protection, choose resistant or tolerant corn varieties whenever suitable options are available. Start with healthy planting material from reliable, certified sources. Avoid continuous year-round corn production when possible, and carefully consider planting schedules during periods that favor insect vectors and disease development. Inspect the field regularly and remove infected plants as soon as practical to reduce potential sources of infection. Keep weeds under control both inside and around the field, especially plants that may serve as alternative hosts. Crop breaks or fallow periods may also help interrupt the life cycle of insect vectors and reduce disease pressure. The key symptoms to remember are yellow leaf margins, reddish older leaves, shortened internodes, severe stunting, and an unusual number of side shoots that can make the plant look bushy or crowded. Early detection and good vector management can make a major difference in protecting your corn crop. Follow the channel for more practical tips on keeping your plants healthy.